Badyangan, June 17, 1667, Badyanganons declared independence from the mother municipality, commemorated as Badyangan's Foundation Day. Badyangan derived from Kabadyangan, meaning a place abundant with badyang plants. Badyangan, previously categorized as a merry barrio within a large and advancing municipality of Hanoi, attained autonomy as a separate municipality following enactment of RA 5006, which was championed by the late Congresswoman Gloria M. Tabiana. Captain Agustin Teodor, a Filipino-American war, saw the death of one of Badyangan's most revered heroes, Captain Agustin Teodor, who died a hero's death at Barangay Tamukol, and today's monument stand at various spots where he was killed by bullet from American soldier. Captain Agustin Teodor, during the Japanese occupation, many Badyanganons answered the call to defend their country, forming a strong guerrilla movement. Survivors now honor their fallen commanders and remain active in Veterans Federation in the province. Location and accessibility. Located about 40 kilometers from the city, Badyangan is bound on the southwest by Haniway, southeast by Mina, on the east by Pototan, on the north by Dueñas, and on the northwest by the municipality of Lambuno. It is classified as a fifth-class municipality. The municipality of Badyangan is composed of 31 barangays. Butong is the largest barangay with an area of 481.12 hectares, while Indruhan is the smallest with 51.87 hectares. Population covers of an area of only 286.38 hectares. Topography. Badyangan features gentle undulating and rolling terrain with minimal waterways. The highest point, at 26 meters above the sea level, is in Barangay Manaulan in the northwest. The lowest point, at 40 meters above sea level, lies in Barangay San Julian in the east. Agricultural crop production dominates the municipality's landscape except for built-up areas with clusters of buildings. Except in the built-up areas, the cluster of buildings in the sitios, barrios and population, the lands of the municipality are purely devoted to agricultural crop production. Pandayan Festival. Pandayan Festival, the annual event in Badyangan, celebrates the rich tradition of blacksmithing known as Pagpamanday, which one of the oldest trades in the area. It served as showcase for the finest craftsmanship in blacksmithing. Barangay Binugan stand out as a renowned source of meticulously crafted polos in province of Iloilo. Tourist attraction: Jade Energetic, Ephrata Farms, St. John the Baptist Parish Church. Ginger or luya grows abundantly in the rolling hills, typically of the topography of the municipality. This kind of serum also requires well-drained soil. Mainly used as spice. It can also be boiled and used as beverage with medicines properties. Bingawan Bolo making. The Bingawan Bolo and other knives crafted in Barangay Bingawan, Badyangan are renowned locally and internationally. This local industry reflects the pride of Badyanganons. The craftsmanship of Bingawanons is evident in durability of their products, which are passed down through the generations. The trade secrets are closely guarded. The bolos are ideal for both home use and gift, making them a product of Badyangan can proudly showcase worldwide. The Badyangan Instant Taho is a patented product developed by Mr. Diosdado V. Aguilar from Barangay Iligan, Badyangan. Mr. Aguilar is a founding president of the Badyangan Ginger Growers and Producer Cooperative. This beverage is made from ginger rhizomes and offers a smooth sensation, providing relief for sore throat and upset stomach. It's a local industry born from abundant ginger production and innovates mindset of the Badyanganons. Loom weaving is a budding industry in Badyangan, centered in Barangay Tina and Barangay Gan. Polyester materials are used to produce various items like batadyong, barong, handkerchief, and a tablecloth.